away from suckling to say hello to you. So this is our friend who always come to us in such a way that we are going to make a window for this paper so that I can pass to that window. I will opposite side this much and you keep open. Okay. First time opposite side. And then you get it. And then you get this. If you make a thin strip, it will be a very big. Okay? Understood? Yes? Yeah, many of you have done it. Okay, very good. So now you need a candy stick, एक paper stick insert करो, and now you need these kind of screws or some wooden stick. किती घेऊ शकता आणि रबर बँड घेऊन सिक्युअर करा. आधी आमच्या इथे एक येताले पेपर sound is produced. Okay, so you want to try this? You must have played with a pen buckle. Now look at the sound quality. किती आता तिथे सांगा. What is happening to the quality of the sound? Same होता. So आता जे आहे तुम्ही घेतला. Did you notice?
तो लो प्रेशर एरिया क्रिएट जाता आणि बाकीचे वारे ते ऑक्युपाय करपाक जागो फास्ट स्पीडीन येता आणि बिकॉज ऑफ विच दॅट टीटी बॉल द प्लास्टिक बॉल जी लागो ना थंय फुटता पडना दॅट यू हॅव नोटीस रायट.